Hello, hello. Welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you're having a great day. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. Today, I am diving into my first palette from Odin's Eye, and it is the Giant Wolves palette, and that is in a collaboration with Annette of YouTube fame, and it is beautiful. And look at those shimmers, and the packaging is just gorgeous. Take a look at that. It's like sparkly and shiny and just top notch. But I know that it's fun to look at the palette, but what about the swatches? Magic swatches coming up in 3, 2, 1. Bam! Look at these swatches. They went on so easily, and they're just so beautiful. And I cannot wait to put them on my eyeballs. So let's get it started. Let's do it to it. Let's put this on my face, and I cannot wait. I'm thinking a purple green combo. Maybe, I don't know. Let's just play around and see what happens. What's gonna happen? I don't know. Makeup on my face? Is that insane? Probably not. I'm not too crazy. I'm not the craziest of all the crazies. And there's not like a really great neutral color to start with. So I'm gonna go into Flare, this green. I'm gonna start with the green. Look at that shimmer. It's so beautiful. I've been digging greens a lot lately. I've had a couple palettes where there's been green as the primary color. So why not start with a color that I know and love? But just look at that shimmer. That shine is just the best. And that looks so beautiful. Let's get into one of the purples. I'm gonna go into, and that was called Flare. This is called H-A-T-I, Hottie. This is going on really soft. So I think I'm going to go into this matte color next to it called the Blaze. There we go. And if you hear some noises, that is a cat playing with my background. And that is very, very pretty. I'm going to go back into Flare and put some more green and blend it out a little higher. So I don't want it to disappear. And so far this is really pretty. And then I'm going to go deep in the outside corner with Howling, this very deep purple. Yeah, that's just a tad, just to put in some depth. That's really pretty. I'm going to go into Eternal, which is this beautiful blue-green shimmer. Oh, it comes out gold. Did not expect that. If shifts gold, lavender and gold. It's very beautiful. Now I'm going to blend out this look. I think I'm going to go back into a blaze and put a little bit more there because it's kind of blended away a little bit. I think that's beautiful. I think now we just need liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, here it is with the liner and mascara. It looks so good now, and it's all blended out. And I'm gonna go a little bold, and I'm gonna do a purple lip to go with this purple look in my purple shirt. And this is number 40, Believer, from Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. And let's see how this goes on. Usually I go a little neutral, but I'm feeling a little wild. I'm feeling a little sassy. And that is really beautiful. I'm going to blot my mouth. And that's a very complimentary color to this look. I hope you've enjoyed watching me do this eye look with the Giant Wolves palette. And it is a beautiful collaboration, and it made a fantastic color story come alive on my face. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon.